So good morning everybody. Welcome to Sakal Vijay YouTube channel. Are you able to hear my voice? Chinta Vinoda, Vaishnavi Vinayaki, Prasanna Hani, Bhavana, Nivireddy, Gopalam Sai, Swati Singh, Ishwar, Surya Prakash, Pavan, Vamshi Krishna Yadav, Pavan, Chinta Vinoda, Kartikeya, Vanita, Narendra Hari Krishna, Sumanya Reddy, Hari Krishna. Okay. Are you able to hear my voice today? Okay, very good morning, very good morning. Audible. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. Thank you. So, very good morning. So, in the last class, actually, we have completed up to 10 problems. Besides some part of the introduction of the pair of straight lines we have discussed. So, one of the viewers asked, Secretariat Sai Madhav Nagar, Akhilesh Verma. Okay, Yadav. See, in the last session, we have completed up to 10 problems. Today, so we shall complete the remaining problems. Okay, let us move to next problem now. One minute. Prakash Govind. Gopalam. Okay. Right. So 10th problem we have completed. Right. Okay. Bhumika. Pair of straight lines. Pair of straight lines. Today is part 2. Part 2. So problem number 11. So we shall discuss problem number 11. Problem number 11. The difference of the slopes of the lines represented by y square minus 2xy secant square alpha plus 3 plus tan square alpha into tan square alpha minus 1 of x square is equal to 0 is first option 1 by 4, second option 4, third option 0, fourth option is 2. This is the question. Okay, Sanjharani Cheti, Gopalam. Right. Saranya. So now the difference of the slopes of the lines represented by y square minus 2xy secant square alpha plus 3 plus tan square alpha times tan square alpha minus 1 of x square is equal to 0. So that means we need to find out m1 minus m2 value. So here we can follow one technique. What the technique means? Options are independent of alpha. So that means put alpha is equal to 45 degrees. Or if you substitute alpha is equal to 0 also, but you can substitute alpha is equal to 0, or even you can substitute alpha is equal to 45. If you put alpha is equal to 45, this tan square alpha minus 1 becomes 0, because tan 45 is 1, tan square alpha is 1 minus 1 0, so that directly we'll get m1 minus m2 value. So now it becomes y square minus 2xy secant square alpha. Sec 45 degrees is equal to root 2 square is 2, plus this will be 3 plus 1, this will be 1 minus 1 of x square equals to 0. So that means we get a here y square minus 4xy equals to how much? We have 0. So that means now here comparing with the ax square plus 2hxy plus by square is equal to 0, a is equal to 1 and h is equal to minus 2. There is no here b value 1, b value 1, a value 0. There is no a value, x square coefficient. So now we need to find out m1 minus m2. What is m1 minus m2? 2 root of h square minus ab upon mod b. So this is equal to 2 root of h square. H square is equal to how much? 4 minus ab is 0 by mod b. Mod b is 1. 2 root of root 4. 2 into 2. So that is equal to 4. So that means second option is the right option. Second option is the right option. See here once again. Here a value will be 0 because x square coefficient is absent. 2h is equal to minus 4, h is equal to minus 2. B value will be y square coefficient 1. Next 12th question. 12th one. The equation to the pair of lines passing through the point minus 2 comma 3 and parallel to the pair of the lines x square plus 4xy plus y square equals to 0 is first option right. First option x square minus 4xy plus y square minus 8x plus 2y minus 11 is equal to 0. Second option x square plus 4xy plus y square minus 8x plus 2y minus 11 is equal to 0. Third option is x square plus 4xy minus y square minus 8x plus 2y minus 11 is equal to 0. Fourth option x square minus 4xy plus y square minus 8x minus 2y minus 11 is equal to 0. So this is the question. Okay, option 1 and 2 are same. No. Right. Let us find out now. The equation to the pair of lines passing through the point minus 2 comma 3 and parallel to the pair of lines x square plus 4xy plus y square is equal to 0. So that means what is the hint means here? Put x for x minus x1, x plus 2 and y for y minus y1. That means y minus 3. So that means we get like this now. 12th solution. So required equation is x plus 2 whole square plus 4 times x plus 2 in the place of y minus 3 plus y minus 3 whole square is equal to 0. That means it passes through minus 2 comma 3. So the point of intersection of this pair of lines is minus 2 comma 3. You remember that one also. So now we need to simplify. This x square plus 4x plus 4 plus 4 times xy minus 3x plus 2y minus 6 plus y square minus 6y plus 9 equals to 0. So we need to simplify this one. X square plus 4x plus 4 plus 4xy minus 12x plus 8y minus 24 plus y square minus 6y plus 9 equals to 0. That means, see here, x square term, 4xy term and y square term. So next 4x and 12x minus 12x and y term and y term. After that constant we need to simplify. So let us write now x square plus 4xy plus y square. See, minus 12x 4x minus 8x minus 6y plus 8y, that is plus 2y. 8y minus 6y is 2y. Next 4 plus 9, actually 13, this will be plus only 13. 24 minus 13 is equal to how much? 24 minus 13. 24 minus 13, that will be 11, but that will be minus 11. So this is the answer. So what is the answer? Which is the right option? X square plus 4xy plus y square minus 8x plus 2y minus 11 is equal to 0. Option 2. Option 2 will be the right option. Or even you can do like this. Substitute minus 2 comma 3 in the options, which will be verified. But that is better than our substitution is easy. X plus 2 and y minus 3. Next problem, 13th problem. 13th problem. Okay. 13th problem. Anybody give the timings to Mr. Shenmukh? The equation to the pair of lines passing through origin means 0 comma 0 origin, and perpendicular to 3x square minus 5xy plus 2y square equals to 0 is first option 2x square plus 5xy plus 3y square equals to 0. Second option 2x square plus 5xy minus 3y square is equal to 0. Third option 2x square minus 5xy plus 3y square is equal to 0. Fourth option 2x square minus 5xy minus 3y square is equal to 0. This is the question right now. So let me discuss the shortcut now. So what is the shortcut means? Here the equation of the pair of lines passing through origin and perpendicular to ax square plus 2hxy plus by square is equal to 0 is, see, that is bx square minus 2hxy plus ay square is equal to 0. That means just interchange these two coefficients, x square and y square coefficient, change the sign of this one. So that means required equation is see, 2x square, in the place of 3 write down 2, and this becomes plus 5xy plus 3y square is equal to 0. 2x square plus 5xy plus 3y square is equal to 0. Yes, absolutely correct. That is option 1 is the right answer. Okay, 1 minute. So let the pages be added now. Right. Question number 14. Question number 14. Right, 14th question. The equation of the pair of lines through -1 comma -1 and perpendicular to the pair of lines x square minus 2xy minus 2y square is equal to 0 is, first option, 2x square minus xy plus y square plus 5x plus y plus 2 equals to 0. Second option, 2x square minus xy minus y square minus 5x minus y plus 2 equals to 0. Third option, x square minus xy plus 2y square minus 5x minus y minus 2 equals to 0. And next, fourth option, 2x square minus xy minus y square plus 5x plus y minus 2 equals to 0. So that means first we need to find out the equation of the pair of lines passes through the origin and perpendicular to the pair of lines x square minus 2xy minus 2y square is equal to 0. After that, put x for x plus 1, y for y plus 1 and simplify, you will get the answer. So let us follow this method now. First let us find out now here solution. First, the equation of the line, equation of the pair of lines. Pair of lines perpendicular to x square minus 2xy minus 2y square is equal to 0 and passes through origin. First, and passes through origin is, this is not our equation, but first step, interchange this one. So that will be minus 2x square minus 2x square, change the sign of xy, plus 2xy, here plus y square is equal to 0. Multiply with minus sign, this we can write 2x square minus 2xy minus y square is equal to 0. Say equation 1. In this equation, you need to substitute this minus 1 comma 1. So that means now put x for x plus 1, y for y plus 1. So we need to substitute now. So 14th. Now what is the equation that is actually we have? 2x square minus 2xy minus y square is equal to 0. So in this put x for x plus 1, y for y plus 1. So this implies 2 multiplied by x plus 1 whole square minus 2 times x plus 1 into y plus 1 minus y plus 1 whole square equal to 0. Let it be simplified now. So we get 2 times x square plus 2x plus 1 minus 2 times xy plus x plus y plus 1 minus of y square plus 2y plus 1 equals to 0. So that implies 2x square plus 4x plus 2 minus 2xy minus 2x minus 2y minus 2 minus y square minus 2y minus 1 equals to 0. So here minus 2 plus 2 cancel. Any cancellation now? Yes, no. Now we need to simplify now. See, this 2x square minus 2xy minus 2y square and plus 4x and minus 2x minus 2y and minus 2y. Next constant we need to write. Next constant we need to write. What are the constants we have here? Minus 2. Okay, minus 1 we have. Plus 2. Okay, this will be minus 2. Right. Let us check it now. Somewhere we did mistake. Okay, let us write it. So we have 2x square minus 2xy and minus y square plus 2x minus 2y minus 2y minus 4y, and we have minus 1 is equal to 0. 2x square minus 2xy is not there anywhere, is not given now. Okay, minus 2xy. Okay, this is the shortcut itself only. So this is the option, you will get it now. Okay, it's correct only, right? But options I given wrong. X square 2x square minus 2xy minus y square. That means something question may be wrong actually. Okay, right. So next go to 15th one. So don't worry about the options. Options depend upon the question itself only. But again I need to check it now. It takes a time. Okay, 15th one. 15th one. The product of the perpendiculars the product of the perpendiculars from P comma Q to the pair of lines x square minus y square is equal to 0 is first option mod of p square minus q square by 2, second option p square plus q square upon 2, third option p square minus q square by root 2 mod, and fourth option we have p square plus q square by root 2 or upon root 2. This is the question. Okay, right. Leave it now about the question, that is actually whether it may be minus 1 comma minus 1, answer is same, right? Product of the perpendiculars from P comma Q to the pair of lines x square minus y square is equal to 0. First, the product of the perpendiculars from x1 comma y1 to the pair of lines ax square plus 2hxy plus by square is equal to 0, we need to find out. That formula we have product of the perpendiculars. Product of perpendiculars or perpendicular distances is equal to mod of ax1 square plus 2hx1 y1 plus by1 square upon root of a minus b whole square plus 4h square. Am I correct? This is the formula. This is the formula to find out actually perpendicular distances from x1 comma y1. So that means here first we need to find out a value. A value is 1, h is absent xy, so h is 0, b is minus 1. So now point x1 comma y1 equals to p comma q. Product of perpendiculars equals to modulus of, so in this equation substitute p comma q, p square minus q square upon root of a minus b. A minus b means 1 plus 1, 2 square, 4 plus 0. So this will be, you will be getting now modulus of p square minus q square by root 4 is 2. That means first option is the right option. Right, option 1. Correct, correct. Now 16th question. 16th, if the product of the perpendicular distances from 1 comma k to the pair of lines x square minus 4xy plus y square is equal to 0 is 3 by 2. Then k equals to first option 4, second option 5, third option 6, fourth option 8. This is the question. Shanmukha Ramachandrani, you are new. First subscribe. Right. So this question is actually, here see, the product of the perpendicular distances from 1 comma k to the pair of lines x square minus 4xy plus y square is equal to 0 is given, that is 3 by 2. Then we need to find out the value of k. So that means first we need to find out the product of the perpendiculars or distances from x1 comma y1 to the pair of lines. For example, ax square plus 2hxy plus by square is equal to 0, and that is equated to 3 by 2. So that means now product of the perpendiculars from 1 comma k to this pair of lines is 3 by 2. Then we need to find out k value. So that means already we have discussed the formula. So product of the perpendiculars mod of ax1 square plus 2hx1y1 plus by1 square by root over a minus b whole square plus 4h square. Right. So now let us come to the problem now. Here a means 1 because this is compared to a1, h is minus 2. Okay, what is the value of b? Yes, 1. Now x1 comma y1 equals to 1 comma k. So that implies in this substitute 1 comma k. In the place of x1 minus 4k plus k square upon root of a minus b whole square. A minus b whole square is 0 plus 4 into h square. H square is 4. Mod equals to, we have 3 by 2. So this is equal to, we get now k square minus 4k plus 1 by, this will be how much? 16 means square root of 4 equal to 3 by 2. Actually plus or minus you will consider. 2 1 ja, 2 2 ja. So we have k square minus 4k plus 1 equals to, we have plus or minus 6. So we get two cases, k square minus 4k plus 1 equal to 6. Second case, k square minus 4k plus 1 equals to minus 6. So k square minus 4k minus 5 equals to 0. Here k square minus 4k plus 7 is equal to 0. So better you solve this for this equation. This equation will be k plus 5 into k minus 1 equal to 0. Am I correct? So therefore k equals to minus 5 or 1. Even you can solve this one also. First you check it. If the options are not there, what are the options we have? K is equal to minus 5 and k is equal to sorry, I did mistake here. This is minus 5, this is plus 1. This is plus 1, this is minus 1. Yes, k is equal to 5 is there. Second option is the right option. Second option is the right option. Okay. Right. Okay. Question number 17. Question number 17. Angle between the lines angle between the lines x square of cos square theta minus 1 minus xy times sine square theta and plus y square times sine square theta is equal to 0. This is the pair of lines. Is first option pi by 4, second option pi by 3, third option pi by 6, fourth option pi by 2. That means first option is 45, second option is 60, third option is 30, fourth option is 90. So now this problem is related to the angle between the lines. So angle between the lines means whenever you are asked the angle between the lines, first check coefficient of x square plus coefficient of y square. If coefficient of x square plus coefficient of y square is equal to 0, directly we can say 90 degrees. Otherwise go for formula. That is the best suggestion for competitive entrance examinations. Angle between the lines x square times cos square theta minus 1 minus xy times sine square theta plus y square times sine square theta equals to 0. So that means first of all here, so comparing with here, a equals to cos square theta minus 1, 2h equals to 2h minus sine square theta, and b, that is y square coefficient sine square theta. First let us try consider a plus b. A plus b means coefficient of x square plus coefficient of y square. Cos square theta minus 1 plus sine square theta. So now Here cos square theta plus sine square theta. Here write down cos square theta plus sine square theta, and we have minus 1. Cos square theta plus sine square theta is 1. So that is 1 minus 1, 0. So therefore, angle between the pair of lines theta is equal to 90 degrees. They are perpendicular. So that means fourth option is the right option. Fourth option is the right option. So are you able to hear my voice today? Today voice is good, I think so. Anybody? Nobody is responding. Voice is good. Okay. Right. Option 4. Now 18th one. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. Thank you. Thank you, thank you. Okay. Thank you. The angle between the pair of lines, the pair of lines x square plus 4xy plus y square equals to 0 is first option 30 degrees, second option 45 degrees, third option 60 degrees, fourth option 90 degrees. This is the question. So first we need to do it. A plus b we need to find out. A plus b is equal to 1 plus 1, 2. No, fourth option actually here has been eliminated. Either 1 or 2 or 3. You can apply cos theta or tan theta or sin theta. Whatever it may be, you can use. Right, that is depends upon your interest. The angle between the pair of lines x square plus 4xy plus y square is equal to 0. Solution. Here a equals to, we have 1, 2h equals to 4, b equals to 1. That implies here a 1, h is 2, b is 1. So cos theta formula. But options are acute angle, that why take mod. Modulus of a plus b root over a minus b whole square plus 4h square. So this equals to, we can write modulus of a plus b is 2 upon root of a minus b whole square. 1 minus 1, 0 square 0, 4h square, 4 into 4. This will be 2 by root 16, 2 by 4 equal to 1 by 2. That means cos theta equals to cos 60 degrees, pi by 3. Therefore, theta is equal to 60 degrees. Third option. Third option is the right option. Right. Okay. Shall I move to next question? So now we have been discussing the angle between the pair of lines. 19th one. The angle between the pair of lines y square minus 2xy cosecant theta 2xy times cosecant theta plus x square equals to 0, provided 0 less than or equal to theta, theta less than or equal to pi by 2, is first option pi by 2 minus theta, second option pi by 2, third option is theta, fourth option pi by 4 minus theta. This is the question. Right. The angle between the pair of lines y square minus 2xy cosecant theta plus x square equals to 0. Theta lies between 0 to pi by 2. That means theta is acute angle. Acute. Right. So that means now here a means 1 x square coefficient, 2h means minus 2 cosec theta, h is equal to minus cosec theta. Am I correct? B equals to 1. So write down cos theta formula, no problem. Cos theta is equal to mod of a plus b by root of a minus b whole square plus 4h square. This is 2, a plus b is 2 mod 2, a minus b 0, 0 plus 4h square, 4 cosecant square theta. This will be, since theta lies in the first quadrant, square root of 4 cosecant square theta is positive only, you need to take 2 by 2 cosecant theta. This will be 1 by cosec theta. That is equal to, we can write sine theta. Cos theta is equal to sine theta. This we can write cos of pi by 2 minus theta. Therefore, angle equal to pi by 2 minus theta. So that means first option is the right option. First option. Now 20. Question number 20. Question number 20. Right. If the slope of one of the lines represented by 2x square plus 3xy plus ky square equals to 0 is 2, then the angle between the pair of lines of lines is first option pi by 2, second option pi by 3, third option pi by 6, fourth option pi by 4. This is the question. Now 20th question. Yes. No problem, Sandeep Neta. Okay, sorry. There is a disturbance. What is the disturbance? Nothing. Right. So first we need to make the plan here. The slope of the one of the lines represented by 2x square plus 3xy plus ky square is equal to 0 is a 2 means that it represents two lines which pass through the origin. That means the line will be y is equal to mx. That means one of the line becomes, as slope is m is 2, one of the line becomes y is equal to x. If we substitute y is equal to x in the given equation, we can find out the k value. After getting k value, the angle between the pair of lines easily we can find out, as if we know the values a value, h value and b value. So first we need to find out k value here. Solution, let us follow. Slope of one of the lines is 2, this pair of lines. That means solution, this is the pair of lines, 2x square plus 3xy plus ky square is equal to 0. Say equation 1. So make two parts like this. Leave it first. Slope of one of the line m is equal to 2. So one of the line or one of the lines we need to say is y is equal to mx, y is equal to x. So that means put x is equal to 1, y is equal to 2 in equation 1, so as to get k value. So that means we get 2 plus 3k 6, correct, plus ky square 4k equal to 0. 4k is equal to minus 8, k is equal to minus 2. That means now here a value becomes 2, 2h becomes 3, b value becomes k, k means minus 2. Here first verify a plus b. A plus b equals to, very interesting, 2 minus of 2 is 0. Therefore angle between them is theta is equal to 90 degrees. So first option is the right option. First option is the right option. Yes, even the m1 into m2 also minus 1. That's also correct, Niviredi. m1 into m2 is equal to minus 1 because that is minus a by b. 2 by minus 2 is minus 1. Is hello cracks. First problem. So once again, actually I suggest all the viewers that once again you practice all these questions from your different materials, so that in the examination you will perform better. So today any new viewers are there, please subscribe first of all. Okay. Right. So now 21st. if the pair of lines if the pair of lines x square plus y square tan square alpha equals to x minus y tan alpha whole square are perpendicular to each other to each other then alpha equals to first option is pi by 6, second option is pi by 3, third option is pi by 8, fourth option is pi by 4. This is the question. Right, you want to eat my mouse touches. Okay, thank you. Right. The pair of lines x square plus y square times tan square alpha equals to x minus y tan alpha whole square are perpendicular to each other. Then alpha we need to find out. So that means the pair of lines represents two perpendicular lines. Coefficient of x square plus coefficient of y square is equal to 0. Then we get the alpha value. So let us do it now. Solution. First we can simplify like this: x square tan square alpha plus y square tan square alpha, that is a minus b whole square in right hand side, x square minus 2xy tan alpha plus y square tan square alpha. Okay, y square tan square alpha gets cancelled. So you bring this side now. Or if you bring x square tan square alpha that side, you get like this: x square minus x square tan square alpha common 1 minus tan square alpha minus 2xy tan alpha is equal to 0. So if you compare with ax square plus 2hxy plus by square is equal to 0, a equals to 1 minus tan square alpha, here 2h is equal to minus 2 tan alpha, b becomes 0. Since they are perpendicular, lines are perpendicular, that means a plus b equals to 0. A plus b equals to 0 means a value is 1 minus tan square alpha, this is b. So we get 1 minus tan square alpha is equal to 0. Tan square alpha is equal to 1. That means this is tan square 45 degrees. Because tan 45 is 1. You know alpha. What is alpha? Pi by 4. That means fourth option is the right option. Even you can apply m1 into m2 is equal to minus 1. But what happens means actually here m1 into m2 is equal to minus a by b. Yes. Narendra. Yashwant Kumar, you seem to be new today. Saroja. Second. If theta is the acute angle between the pair of lines x square plus 3xy plus 4y square equals to 0. Then sine theta equals to, first option 1 by root 34, second option 1 by 3, third option 5 by root 34, fourth option 3 by root 34. This is the question. Ravi Bammidi, cos x by 2y minus 1 is not the answer of this one. Y is equal to root of sin x plus root of sin x plus root of sin x dash dash infinity. The derivative is dy by dx is equal to cos x by 2y minus 1. Please do not actually encroach with other topic to this topic. Okay. If theta is the acute angle between the pair of lines x square plus 3xy plus 4y square is equal to 0, then we need to find out sine theta. So what is the formula for sine theta? What is the formula for sine theta? Anybody? What is the formula for sine theta? Sine theta. Right. One minute. Okay. Let us do this problem first. So now here A equals to 1, 2h equals to 3, b equals to 4. So now the sine theta formula is 2 root of h square minus ab upon root of a minus b whole square plus 4h square. So this can be rewritten. This 2 root of h square minus ab may be written like this. Root of this root 4 you can write root 4 into root of h square minus ab. You can write 4h square, that we can write 2h whole square minus 4ab you can write. In the similar fashion, This also we can write a minus b whole square plus 4h square can be written 2h whole square. Am I correct now? Let us substitute respective values. 2h is 3. 3 square 9 minus 4ab 16. 4ab. This is 2h whole square. 2h whole square is how much? 9. 9 minus, we are getting negative value. Yes. 1 minute. I will check the question first. I'll check the question. Okay. I'll check the question. Okay, now. So here you take minus sign. Minus sign you take it. So this will be minus. Okay. This will be minus 4. What happens now here? Plus 16 under root and root of a minus b whole square. A minus b whole square means 1. This will be 1 plus 4 whole square is 25 plus 2h is 3, 9. Root 25 is 5 by root 34. So second option. So once again, please do remember, Mr. Sai Vishwanath, actually please be in the limits. Please don't discuss all these things. I think you are new. Yes. Now 23rd question. 23rd question. 23rd. The equation of pair of angular bisectors bisectors of a minus b times x square plus 4h times xy minus of a minus b times y square equal to 0 is first option h times x square minus y square plus xy times a minus b equals to 0. Second option h times x square minus y square minus xy times a minus b. Third option h times x square minus y square plus abxy equal to 0. Fourth option ax square plus 2hxy plus by square is equal to 0. Right. Mr. Sai Vishwanath, I didn't actually uh, told any story to you. So I given the suggestion. But whenever you actually chart the in charting also you need to mention like that. Suggested. That's all. Not that word is wrong. Right. Thank you. The equation of the pair of angular bisectors of a minus b x square plus 4hxy minus of a minus b y square is equal to 0. So that means equation of the pair of angular bisectors we need to find out here now. Right. Solution. Comparing with ax square plus 2hxy plus by square is equal to 0. Here a stands for a minus b. Next 2h stands for here 2h, sorry 4h. B stands for minus of a minus b. So required equation, pair of angular bisector, pair of angular bisectors is x square minus y square by a minus b. It's a formula equal to xy by h. Am I correct now? So let us substitute x square minus y square by, we need to subtract a minus b from this minus of a minus b. That becomes like this, a minus b plus a minus b. This becomes 2a minus 2b equal to xy by h. What will be the h value? That will be 2h. Now 2 gets cancelled. Again we get the same value itself only, you see. X square minus y square by a minus b equal to xy by h. Cross multiplication, h into x square minus y square equal to a minus b into xy. So that means second option is the right option. Second option is the right. 24th. Shortcut formula only I applied, Taufik. That is shortcut only. Right. So Taufik, you might be new to my classes actually. You watch in the playlist. You'll get right. 24th. If one angular bisector of a times x minus 1 whole square plus 2h times one minute. I will check the question. Because not to happen any errors. This is okay. I will check the question once again. Please wait. The one angular bisector of a times x plus 1 whole square plus 2h times x plus 1 y minus 3 plus b times y minus 3 whole square equal to 0 is right, is 2x minus 3y plus 11 equals to 0. Then the equation of other angular bisector is first option is x plus y equals to 2, second option 3x plus 2y minus 11 equals to 0, third option 3x plus 2y equal to 0, fourth option 3x plus 2y minus 3 equals to 0. Right. So this is actually conceptual question, very important question also. See, one angular bisector of the pair of lines we need to find out. That means, sorry, one angular bisector of the pair of lines is given here, and other angular bisector we need to find out. Angular bisector always both passes through the point of intersection of the pair of lines, and they are perpendicular each other. That means first we need to find out the point of intersection. So that means now the point of intersection of this pair of lines is easily we can write. So point of intersection is equal to x plus 1 is equal to 0. So minus 1, y minus 3, 0, minus 1 comma 3. So that means equation of the other angular bisector is a line perpendicular to 2x minus 3y plus 11 is equal to 0 and passes through minus 1 comma 3. So that means we need other angular bisector is equal to the line perpendicular to 2x minus 3y plus 11 is equal to 0 and passes through minus 1 comma 3. So that implies, I explain the shortcut to you, don't worry. What is the shortcut means? Interchange these two coefficients and change of the sign. After that substitute this minus 1 comma 3. That means you get like this, 3x plus 2y equal to, substitute this point, minus 3 plus 6 equal to 3. Therefore 3x plus 2y minus 3 equals to 0. This is the answer. So fourth option. Fourth option. What is Surya Prakash? What's your doubt? Okay. So many today, our regular viewers. Right. So now let us move to the next question. 25th. Equation of pair of lines, equation of pair of lines through origin and forming an equilateral triangle with the line 2x minus 3y plus 4 is equal to 0 is first option 23x square plus 3y square minus 8xy equals to 0. Second option 23x square minus 3y square plus 48xy equal to 0. Third option 23x square plus 3y square minus 16xy equals to 0. Fourth option 23x square plus 3y square plus 48xy equals to 0. This is the question. Right? Okay. So now you need to like and subscribe and share to your friends. Okay. Right. So that means actually we have equation of pair of lines through origin and forming an equilateral triangle with the line 2x minus 3y plus 4 is equal to 0. So that means okay, right. So required equation of the pair of lines, required equation of pair of lines is, see, first actually remove the constant, that means 2x minus 3y write down whole square and minus 3 times it's perpendicular equation 3x plus 2y whole square is equal to 0. You need to simplify this one. You need to simplify this one. So let us simplify it. What do you get now here? 4x square minus 12xy plus 9y square minus 3 times 9x square plus 12xy plus 4y square equals to 0. Now just help me how to find out. Okay. So now this equals to, see, minus 27x square 4x square minus 23x square, and this is minus 36, and this will be minus 48xy. This is minus 12y square, and this one minus 12 minus 3y square equals to 0. Multiply with minus, you get like this, 23x square plus 48xy plus 3y square equals to 0. That means fourth option is the right option. Fourth option is the right option. Yes. So that means the equation of the pair of lines passes through the origin and forming equilateral triangle with the line Lx plus My plus n is equal to 0. Instead of this, you remove this constant. Lx plus My write down and square it, and minus 3 times interchange these two and change the sign. Mx minus Ly whole square is equal to 0. This is the formula. Already we have discussed it. Okay. One minute. Charan Yadav. Right. Next, 26th question. 26th. Equation of pair of lines passing through the origin and making tan inverse 2 with the line 4x minus 3y plus 7 is equal to 0 is first option 4x minus 3y whole square minus 4 times 3x plus 4y whole square equal to 0. Second option right. Second option 4x minus 3y whole square minus 3x plus 4y whole square is equal to 0. Third option 4x minus 3y whole square minus 3 times 3x plus 4y whole square equal to 0. And fourth option 4 times 4x minus 3y whole square minus 3x plus 4y whole square is equal to 0. Okay, so we have one formula already we have discussed. The equation of the pair of lines passing through the origin and making this angle is alpha with the line Lx plus My plus n is equal to 0 is given by this formula. Lx plus My whole square minus tan square alpha into mx minus Ly whole square equals to 0. This is the formula. So that means therefore now we get here tan inverse 2 is equal to alpha. What is tan alpha? Yes, tan alpha is equal to 2. Here now we can write this is 4x minus 3y whole square minus tan alpha whole square is 4 times this will be 3x plus 4y whole square is equal to 0. Now you need to decide which is the right option. Yes, absolutely correct. So now third option is the right option. Third option is the right option. Who is Mr. Mahesh and Mahesh? Secretariat Sai Madhav Nagar. What's your name actually? Secretariat Sai Madhav Nagar. Okay, one thing I would like to share one thing with you, Sai Madhav Nagar, Secretariat. See, one thing remember, even we may bring horse to the water. Whose responsibility is this to drink the water? That's obviously horse need to drink the water. In the same case, so I have been teaching the classes for the children, the students, so they need to attend. So I am not going to appear for any entrance examination. You people are going for the write the entrance examination. Your career is actually depends upon your hands. So that's why they need to select. Okay, you are the Tota Krishnamurti. Okay, who works with the secretariat? Your father? Right. Twenty-seventh question. Right. area of the triangle formed by the lines 3x square minus 4xy plus y square equals to 0 and 2x minus y equals to 6 is first option 16, second option 25, third option 36, fourth option 49. So you need to consider square units. 26th is incorrect, sir. Dishwank. Okay, I will try. I will see. 26th. How? How, Dishwank? Four x minus 3y whole square minus tan square alpha. 4 into 3x plus 4y whole square is equal to 0. That's all. Right. Okay, now area of the triangle formed by the lines, pair of lines with 2x minus y is equal to 6 is. So that means first let us write a value 3, 2h equals to minus 4 and b value equals to 1, h value equal to minus 2, and this is compared to lx plus my plus n equals to 0. So we get now L equals to 2, m equals to minus 1, n becomes obviously minus 6. Then delta is equal to area of the triangle formed by the lines ax square plus 2hxy plus by square is equal to 0 with lx plus my plus n is equal to 0 is given by n square root of h square minus ab upon modulus of am square minus 2hlm plus bl square. Am I correct now? Let us substitute the values now. Let us substitute the values. Right. This equals to n square means 36 root of h square. H square is 4 minus 3 upon am square. A means how much? 3. M square is 1 minus 2h minus 4 lm. Lm is minus 2 plus bl square. What is b? B is 1. L square. L square is 4. So you need to simplify this one. So this equals to 36 root 1 36 upon mod 3. This is minus 8 because minus 4 into minus 2 is plus 8 and minus 8 plus 4. This will be mod minus 1, so 1 only 36 by 1. 36 square units. That means third option is the right option. Third option is the right option. Chintu, today you are charting a lot of, so please do not do it. I'll check your chart also. Okay. 28. Let us move to the 28. 28. Okay, 28th question. 28. The area of the triangle area of the triangle formed by the lines x square minus 9xy plus 18y square equals to 0, and the line y minus 1 equals to 0 is in square units. First option 3/4, second option 3/2, third option 6, fourth option 3. This is the problem. Okay. Right. So that means actually the area of the triangle formed by the lines ax square plus 2hxy plus by square is equal to 0. With the line lx plus my plus n is equal to 0, formula need to be applied for this one also. So let it be first applied. Okay, first applied. Right. Area of the triangle formed by the lines x square minus 9xy plus 18y square is equal to 0 and the line y minus 1 is equal to 0. Here solution a equals to 1, next h equals to 9/2 and b equals to 18. Comparing this line with lx plus my plus n is equal to 0, here L will be 0, m equals to 1 and n equals to minus 1. Delta formula. What is delta formula? N square root of h square minus ab upon am square minus 2hlm plus bl square. So n square, what is n square? Is 1 root of h square. H square is 81/4 minus ab minus 18 by modulus of am square. What is am square? M is 1, a is 1, but actually L is 0, 2hlm becomes 0. bl square also 0. That means this root we need to simplify. 81 minus 72/4. So that means root of 9/4. This will be 3/2. So second option is the right option. Right, absolutely correct what you said. Take it granted. Minus 9 by 2. H is. Okay. But H square will be 81 by 4. But even every symbol is also taken into consideration. Very good observation. Kshatriya, Govind, Niviredi, right, Sneha. Thank you, thank you, thank you. So 29th question. 29th, right. Area of the triangle formed by the pair of lines ax plus by whole square minus 3 times bx minus ay whole square equal to 0, and the line ax plus by plus c is equal to 0 is first option c square by a square plus b square, second option c square by 2 into a square plus b square, third option c square by root 2 times a square plus b square, fourth option c square by root 3 times a square plus b square. This is conceptual question. That means we have one formula. Then you will decide it now. Area of the triangle formed by the area of the equilateral triangle, formed by the pair of lines with Lx plus My plus n is equal to 0 is delta equals to n square by root 3 times L square plus m square. Therefore, what is delta here? Yes, n for c square by root 3 times L means A, M means B, A square plus B square. So that means fourth option is the right option. Fourth option. So otherwise you can say like this also. In general, for example, not only this equilateral triangle, for any triangle also it can be applicable. Then theta is equal to, you can remember like this, n square by tan alpha into L square plus m square. Since equilateral triangle means alpha is equal to how much? 60. Tan 60 is equal to root 3. We got it. Yes. Sai Venkat, Sai Madhav Nagar, I expect the same thing from you people itself only. Because we need to form a family, that is a Sakala Vijaya family. We belong to the same Sakala Vijaya family itself. I myself also feel same thing itself only. Right. So it should be continued, and even after completion of your engineering and etc. also, so you need to cooperate with us. Okay, 30. Let us complete one more question and we shall conclude our session today. 30th. The area of an equilateral triangle formed by right. The area of an equilateral triangle formed by the lines, pair of lines, that means lines through the origin and the line 12x minus 5y plus 13 equals to 0 in square units is first option 3 root 3, second option 2 root 3, third option root 3, fourth option 1 by root 3. These are the options. Okay, thank you Ajay Khanna. Okay, right, thank you. Right, so now first let me complete. The area of an equilateral triangle formed by the lines through the origin and this line. So solution, here L is equal to 12, M is equal to minus 5 and N is equal to 13. So formula, delta is equal to N square by, so take tan alpha, no problem, tan alpha into L square plus M square. It is being equilateral triangle, here alpha is equal to 60 degrees. So now this delta is equal to, we get N square by tan 60 is root 3, sorry, I am so hurry. N is 13 square is 169 root of L square plus M square, that is 144 plus 25. So 169 by 169 root 3, 169 gets cancelled, 1 by root 3, that means fourth option is the right option. Thank you, bye bye, see you. We shall meet you in the next evening classes.